This year's theme of the World Population Day, Vulnerable Populations in Emergencies, is very relevant and sits very much at home for those of us working in the West and Central Africa region. In a region that covers 23 countries of sub-Saharan Africa, almost half of which are affected by some kind of emergency or other, directly or indirectly, we are quite aware of the multiplying effect of the number of women and young people that are rendered vulnerable as a result of this situation. Whether it's the Boko Haram in Nigeria, this instability in the Central African Republic, or the EVD outbreak, we know of the spillover effects that it has in the neighbouring countries. The Boko Haram situation in Nigeria, for example, has spilled over to Cameroon, Chad, and Niger, while similarly the situation in the Central African Republic has also affected the countries surrounding it. Thus, with this kind of situation, we are faced with circumstances where we have a multiplying number of women and young people who are rendered vulnerable by the emergencies. Women and young people who still need to have access to their reproductive health services. Our priority as UNFPA within the region is very much aligned to our global priority, which is ensuring that we safeguard and empower women to ensure that they continue to have access to reproductive health services that they need, that they continue to have access to maternal health services, that pregnant women can continue to deliver safely under the minimum quality of care standards, that they continue to have access to dignity and hygiene kits that they need on a daily basis, that they continue to have access to family planning services, and that women and young people in general also continue to have access to preventive HIV services and other related reproductive health services. By prioritizing access to reproductive health services within emergency situations and ensuring that women have access, vulnerable women and young people have access to these services, UNFPA, alongside governments and other developmental partners, is contributing to a more just, stable, and peaceful situation within the emergency situations, and indirectly or ultimately contributing to the long-term sustainable development within the region and globally as well.